Hey guys, sorry about that issue there. I think I hit a button and the live stream ended there, but we're good to go now. Anyway, the SPY puts are now up 14% that we got into that second trade there. Looking great. Dow's down about 690 points. Nasdaq's down about 330. SPY's down about 89 points, 90 points right now. And here we go, guys. Next big drop here on SPY. Got up to that 10, failed, headed lower there. Efren, I'm out of that SPY put. I just locked in another quick gain. I wanted to do that there because we just made another 150 bucks in the trade challenge account. Something like that there. So out at 10.05. We're still dropping there, but out of that trade, locked in the profit. That's important to do along the way here. I just posted that in the trade room. Continuing to break down here, team, below that 10. I'm going to be re-entering once we get that retracement and then that breakdown again. Another big breakdown here, team. Nice, Jerry. Jerry just got out of the SPY puts. Did you guys get out of the SPY puts? Let's see here, portfolios. You guys can't hear me on Zoom? Let's see. There we go. Could you hear me on Zoom now? Alrighty, sorry about that. Didn't know that was muted. So we're continuing lower on SPY. The only reason why we got out, we're locking in profits along the way, guys. Really important. Lock in profits along the way. Now, once we climb up to 330 again, now you guys remember, 330 was our big support area, right? We're breaking below that. Now we're going to see if we're going to flirt with that or continue lower. 3-month daily chart here, as if you guys could see, we're continuing to break lower here, and we are below that support at 330 now. So that 330 was our support. We broke below that. I'm really expecting us to get down to that 320 by the end of this week here. So if you got some longer term puts here, that's fine to be holding on to those. Now you're going to be looking for that target number 2. You just broke below that 330 support 1. Now you're going to be looking for support 2 at 320, and that's going to be your target profit area.
Million. Gasoline stocks a draw of 892,000. Distillates a draw of 4.5 million. Again, crude a build of 4.32 million versus a build of 1.23 million expected. Distillates a draw of 4.491 million versus a draw of 2.065 million expected. And gasoline inventories a draw of 892,000 versus a draw of 961,000 expected. Crude ticking slightly lower now, 37.21 off the lows.
So guys, this is what I mean about
X-ray CLGX. CoreLogic out with a statement, says it's confirmed it's engaging with third parties indicating preliminary interest in a potential acquisition at $80 per share. No decision has been made to enter a transaction at this time. That's CLGX.
That's what I mean about taking profits along the way here. You guys could see the trades that we locked in.
Ahead of that news.
Already locked in, and this is the trade challenge account, guys. You guys know that. $621.28 in the trade challenge account from these SPY puts. We're just locking them in as we go, and then we're using those profits to fuel that next trade. You guys see the cost. Do you see the cost of these trades here in the trade challenge account? Remember, that's how we're starting to grow that small account. We already doubled our trade challenge account. So now what you're doing here is you're making those small trades using the profits that you already have for the day to fuel those next trades. That way, if it does go against you, and should you take that max 50% stop loss there, then you still have some profits left over from the initial trades there. And remember, you know, at first we took a nice gain there on the short-term SPY put. You know, now we're going out to November 4th, November 6th, you know, to have that extra time. Now, if you look in the background here, you can see SPY is climbing here, getting back up to possibly that 20. So now if we get up to that 20 SMA, or if we get back up to 330 and then fail, I'll enter into some more SPY puts at that 330 resistance area that we're now going to be seeing on SPY.
About a webinar regarding precautions to stay safe from COVID-19. Says that one about our EPA approved 100% all natural shield cleanser line and thermo UVU non-contact temperature screening device. That from DGLY getting on top here now.
So now once again we're not in any trades. We closed out our profits in the trade challenge account, and we're going to be looking for that next trade there. Nice job, Captain Thomas. Let me see here. Captain Thomas locked in $4,408.75 on those SPY puts. Nice job, Captain. You guys got to see Captain. He's sending me pictures of the plane him and his buddies are building. Amazing job. Love the plane, Captain. Love the updates on it as well. Avilio said he thinks we hit bottom for today. If we climb above that 330, I think you're going to be right. That 330 is going to be resistance. I mean, the Dow's down 720 points right now. That's a big drop there. NASDAQ's down 325 points. SPY's down almost 91 points. Now we're failing at that 20 now so far. Let's see what that candle's going to do here. Guys, if you guys like this video on YouTube, please give it a thumbs up and share it for us. Would greatly appreciate that. Ephraim, once you put that closing trade out to our members, you can do that on YouTube there as well. Unless you want me to do that. If you want me to take care of those, I could do that. Let's see. Joseph Callahan on YouTube says Amazon just broke 50-day moving average. Let's see Amazon. Amazon's down 82 points today. 3-month daily. Still trading between that 10, 20, 50 SMA. I don't think Amazon's going to break below that, really below that 3,100 area. I can't see that happening going into the holidays with everything going to be online mostly now. Looking for another possible pullback here on SPY. SPY's starting to break down again here.
BA Boeing. Boeing CEO says supply chain stability remains a key watch item. That's BA Boeing.
Here comes that next breakdown.
Says
First
airlines
candle below
positioning
1020.
Airlines postponing deliveries, slowing or stopping payments, and accelerating jet retirements. That's BA Boeing. Says has continued payments to suppliers. That's Bravo Alpha Boeing.
Wow. This is going to be getting much worse than what we expected.
Boeing CEO says addressed immediate liquidity issues, must continue taking action to improve performance.
SPY's not really doing too much, trading between that 1020 SMA, consolidating.
BA Boeing says expects 737 MAX approval in time to resume deliveries in Q4, subject to regulators. That's BA Boeing Bravo Alpha.
Let's see, Avilio, I just saw your comment about Apple.
Shares with Boeing right now off the lows at 150.18, down $5.06. That's BA.
You talking about that 110? I think it should hold that 110. Efren, that heat map looks absolutely horrendous there. It's a bloodbath. The only thing that's really moving are the things that have reported earnings. Nothing I want to go long on today. That's for sure. If you take a look at SPY here, SPY's pulling back again. Today, 1 minute. Let's see. Tyler S says, Dave, look at Chewy. CHWY. Let's take a look at Chewy. Today, 1 minute. Looking nice for a breakout. Up 6.8% today. 3-month daily. That's one of those COVID stocks. People don't want to go to the dog stores. They're thinking the pet stores, you know, they're going to be closing down. Everyone's ordering their dog stuff online. To me personally, I think the valuation's insane. You know, especially coming from a stock that was literally just, you know, $20 there. It's now $72 in less than, what, 8 months, 9 months?
Boeing says, CEO says trajectory of passenger traffic recovery may be uneven.
Tyler, everyone did get a new puppy, and I'm really upset because I didn't get a new puppy. I was looking at them online. My wife wants a certain type of puppy, and the puppy she wants is $6,000. You know, and for me, it's a tough bullet to bite for a $6,000 puppy. I think when I think of that, I think of, okay, do I want to spend $6,000 on a puppy or a new jet ski? I'd rather go with the jet ski.
German leaders agreed to shut restaurants for the lockdown.
Let's see. I want to focus on SPY here. SPY is starting to break lower here once again.
Report that a Houston Texans player has tested positive for the coronavirus.
Exactly, Jerry. Oh, you guys are up north. It's getting cold up where you guys are, right? It's still in the 90s down here in Orlando, so sorry for those of you up north in the colder weather. But it is still hot and humid down here in Orlando. 17 degrees this morning. Man, we never have really winter here. Like the coldest it gets, 60s, sometimes 50s. Ephraim's from Pennsylvania with me too, right, Ephraim? We'll never go back to PA. Alrighty, let's see. We're starting to break down again here. Now, if we break below those lows again, I'm going to enter into another trade.
Shares of DraftKings pulling back here now, getting a report of the Houston player testing positive for COVID. Delta Q November Golf.
That'd be awesome if we all got together like that. That'd be nice. Now we got some support here on SPY from before, so that's what we're looking at here. Are we going to drop below that support area from before? I can't draw a straight line. You guys know that, but right at about there. We cross below that. I'm probably going to be entering into some more puts for the November 6th Expo. There goes that next big break lower. Dow is now down about 840 points. I might do something for this Friday's Expo right now, but honestly, I'd rather continue to go with the SPY for next week's Expo. November 6th. I like November 6th.
Bloomberg reporting that G20 ministers plan extraordinary meeting November 13th for debt relief.
Alrighty, for a new trade. Buy to open the SPY November 6th, 328 strike put. We're in at 951. That's going to be another trade challenge account trade. So that's for the small account there. Already up 1% on that. Looking good.
GATO Gato Silver shares open at $6.50, priced at $7. That's Golf Alpha Tango Oscar. GATO.
getting back up to that 10 there on SPY. There we go. SPY starting to break below that 10. That's what I mean about patience and discipline, team. Just watch. Candles are going to tell you everything you need to know.
WIT, YPro to acquire Encore Theme Technologies. That's Whiskey India Tango, WIT. ABST opening at $11, Alpha Bravo Sandy Tango. Absolute. Absolute slow clear that was earlier. Report Merkel has reached a deal for a 1-month partial lockdown in Germany. Merkel reaching a 1-month deal, 1-month partial lockdown deal in Germany. U.S. unseals complaint accusing 8 people of conspiring to act as illegal agents for China, that in a court filing at 11 a.m.
Might have seen the lows of the day now. We came all the way down to that 327.50, though. There's no question in my mind we're going to be heading much lower here. So we did a great job today, team. It's 11 o'clock now. Got to go do some classes here and get ready. So great job today, guys. We locked in some really nice gains. And really looking forward to those puts paying off there for that November 6th Expo. So great job today, guys. Locked in a few $100 there on those overnight trades in the trade challenge account there. And once things settle here, we're going to be going back to the main account here and trading that. I'm still trading some SPY puts and stuff in the main account here, but trade challenge account, this is the time to grow it. So going to head off of here now, guys. It's 11. And if you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Come join us. Go to the homepage, breakingchartalerts.com. And you guys could click on join now. If I log out here, you know, I'm not going to log out, but you'd see basically the same thing. You could click join now. We got our CPA class this Friday. You don't want to miss that. That's going to be huge here. He's going to teach you guys how to save money on your taxes with capital gains, whatever it is with trader operator tax status with the IRS. That's a free class. Click that to sign up. And if you guys want to come join us, click join now here, or you guys could go to join now membership pricing plans. And then once you're in, once you join us, once you decide which level you want, live trading, and we'll be in the live trade room from now until about 2, and then either the live afternoon, live morning trading if you're a new member with us. So if you click on this, you get a live Zoom meeting, so there's no delay there on YouTube, which is great. And then obviously if you guys want to see our trades, every trade that we make, you go to trade alerts and you can see every trade that we post there. And it gives you the targets, stops, and everything about our trade plan there. Education session, short lessons here, you know, between 3 to 10 minutes long here. And then our classes that we hold weekly, they're there. They're about an hour to an hour and a half long each. And then again, the free class for trading taxes. Click that to get signed up there. And if you guys have any questions, down here in the bottom right, click that. That's our messenger. It'll pop up and someone will get right to you. So hope everyone has a great day. Great job today. And we're going to be live again at 2. Right now, I think the markets are just going to pretty much settle down here, not do too much going into the lunch hour. But I am expecting a continued pullback from now until election. So holding on to those puts. Take care, guys. Have a great day. And I will see you guys in the trade room. And I will see you guys live at 2 o'clock as well. Take care, guys.